Hello kids! Today we are going to do subject English, poem number 2, Nature. Nature. Listen, sing and act. Nature is might, nature is strong. Nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is smart, nature is blue. Nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Students, sing along this poem with me. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody, nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Very good. This poem describes nature to us. Nature means all the plants, animals, rivers, forests, air, and humans that exist together in this world. Nature is might, which means nature is very important and powerful because of its size. Nature is strong, which means it has lot of power. Nature is beauty, which means it is beautiful because of its animals, mountains, flowers, seas, oceans, and all the other things that nature is made up of. Nature is very moody, which means that it keeps on changing like the different weather conditions such as summer, winter, rainy, and so on. Nature is smart, which means it has knowledge of what is happening around it. Nature is blue. Here, the poet refers to the ocean and the sky, which are blue in color. Nature is green. Here, it refers to the trees and forests, which are green in color. Nature is true, which means it is a reality. It is very real. Nature is you, which means we all are a part of nature. Nature is me. Here, the poet also describes himself as a part of nature. We all are a part of nature. Nature will forever be free, which means we cannot control nature. It is free. It will do things and work in its own way. So students, I hope you understood the poem very well. Now read the poem and learn it by heart. Students, you might have noticed some words when you were reading the poem. Let us look and say these words aloud. Look and say. Nature, nature. Might, might. Moody, moody. Smart, smart. Strong, strong. Beauty, beauty. Blue, blue. Green, green. True, true. Ever. Free. Let us repeat the words once again. Nature, might, moody, smart, strong, beauty, blue, green, true, ever. Free. Very good. Learn the spellings of the words and write it 2 times in your notebook neatly.